I'm checking this washer. The complaint is leaking water, but I really find the problem with this. The leak is coming from here, for this hose coming to the water inlet bulb, to the splash water inside the tub. I have to replace this hoses. This hose is leaking right over here. Okay. And also, I'm going to replace the water in the bulb too, because it seems so rusted. This is the new water inlet bulb, and this is the old one. So this bag. Okay, this is the old one, and also this is the old water inlet bulb. Right now we have the new one here, and also the new water fill hose. Let's do this. Okay. Okay, that's the new hoses, water hoses. This is the old water hose here, and water fill hoses and water inlet bulb. Okay. There. The bag is, it has one screw from here and one screw on the right side.